Addition tables. The addition table for 0 through 9 is a tool for building fluency with basic addition facts. The table works by choosing one number from the top row and one number from the left column. The number where the row and column meet is the sum. So, for example, to use the table to find 7 plus 8, we look for 7 on one side, there it is, and 8 on the other side, there it is. Where they meet, the table gives 15. So 7 plus 8 equals 15. The 7 and the 8 are the addends, and 15 is the sum. The addition table also helps reinforce the commutative property. Because if, just like we looked up 7 and 8, we get 15. If we look up 8 and 7, we also get 15. The table is symmetric in that way because changing the order of addition does not change the answer.